Hello and welcome back. This is Steve from SkiCoachingOnline, and in this video it's a quick tip on how to ski parallel more consistently, but also how to have a bit more flow down the hill. You know, when you watch those good skiers skiing around, and you look at them and it just kind of looks effortless. There's a way that you can think about that. I think about it as there's two ways you can ski. You can ski offensively, like attacking, or you can ski defensively. And you have a little think about which one of those categories you would put yourself in. So the way I like to describe it is, if at the end of the turn, okay, so for example, if I'm making some turns, so here's the end of a turn, and here's the end of a turn, and here's the end of a turn here. So if at the end of the turn, my next move is to move myself or my ski back up the hill, okay, like this, or if I'm here, or if I'm like this, that's a defensive way of skiing, okay? I've already skied down there, I don't need to go back that way. Whereas if you think offensively, okay, that's me moving the tips of my skis down the hill, that's me moving my hands and my head and my butt down into the next turn. So what I want you to think as you're skiing around is, do you make offensive moves down the hill, or are you defensively staying where you've just been? So I'll show you as we ski around. So if I'm skiing down here and I make a defensive move, such as moving this away, back up the hill, okay, or I'm thinking about moving my bum around like that. So what you notice is that my skiing is getting a bit labored. I'm kind of stopping and starting a lot, okay? Whereas if I ski offensively, and I'm thinking about moving more of me down the hill, my tips go down the hill, it's not necessarily a speed thing. What it is, it just adds a bit more flow from one turn to the next. I'm no longer stopping and starting all the time. I'm moving into the next turn with a bit of flow. So have a think about that when you're next on the hill.